Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we are tackling something absolutely crucial. We're going to explore how to completely automate your WordPress SEO to capture way more search real estate. If you've been looking for a way to get your website to really stand out in Google search results without needing a computer science degree, you are in the exact right place. Look, getting clicks on standard blue links is incredibly tough these days. The competition is just fierce. And honestly, user attention spans are shorter than ever. But what if you could instantly double your visibility using automated FAQ schema? Imagine just pushing your competitors further down the page simply by claiming the screen space you already deserve. So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover why you need this, the automated solution, getting set up, writing for auto detection, per post controls, and finally verifying that your code is actually working. Let's get right into it. Section 1, why use FAQ schema? It's all about the power of rich snippets. So standard search results are super small and easily ignored, right? But implementing FAQ schema typically boosts your organic search click-through rates by a massive 35 to 65%. When you provide structured data that Google actually understands, they reward you with a rich snippet. And honestly, it just makes users want to click. Just compare these two side by side. Compared to a standard, kind of boring blue link, FAQ Rich Snippets give your listing up to 2 times more screen space by adding these awesome expandable dropdowns right in Google's search results. Users can click to expand the answers directly in the search engine. This establishes your authority immediately and drives much higher quality traffic straight to your site. Moving on to Section 2, the Auto FAQ solution and achieving total automation. Now, to get these amazing results without the headache of tedious manual data entry, we use this incredibly lightweight tool. We are talking about zero manual work here, and you get unlimited FAQs per page, even in the free version. And for the performance-obsessed folks out there, it has literally zero impact on your site's speed. It just outputs a tiny JSON-LD script tag, which is Google's preferred code language, right in your page head. That means no clunky front-end JavaScript slowing you down. All right, Section 3, activation and setup. We're going to get you up and running in minutes. Let's walk through these initial plugin activation steps together. The whole installation takes under 2 minutes. You simply download the zip file from UTSSites, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate over to plugins, click Add New, upload the file, and hit Activate. Or you can actually just search for UTSSites Auto FAQ Schema directly in the WordPress plugin repository. It starts working automatically the very moment you turn it on. Once you're active, the global settings panel is an absolute breeze. Head to Settings, then Auto FAQ Schema. Here, you can choose exactly which heading levels the plugin should scan, like say just your H2s, H3s, or H4s, and which post types to include. You can toggle the whole thing on or off globally with a single click. Next up is Section 4, Writing for Auto Detection. Let's talk about smart content scanning. This is where it gets really interesting. The plugin uses 3 incredibly smart detection sources, and it prioritizes them in a very specific order. First, it looks for headings, specifically H2 through H5. Second, it uses paragraph tag detection to find questions hidden inside your normal text. And third, it scans for bold or strong tag detection. Basically, it adapts to how you naturally format your content. So for best practices, let's say you simply write an H2 heading that says, "What is SEO?" and follow it up with a normal paragraph. The plugin automatically extracts that heading as the question and makes the following paragraph text the answer. It even features smart auto deduplication. So if you accidentally have the exact same question detected multiple times on a page, it only outputs it once in the final schema to keep your code perfectly clean. And get this, it's smart enough to detect questions even if you don't use a question mark. It recognizes over 40 patterns, words like how, why, explain, define, describe, or tell me. So if you write an H3 heading that simply says, "Explain the benefits of schema," the plugin instantly knows that's an FAQ and perfectly formats it for Google. Section 5, Per Post Override Control. Because sometimes you just need to customize an individual page. Inside the WordPress editor, every single post gets this really handy sidebar meta box right alongside your content block, and it integrates flawlessly whether you're using Gutenberg, Elementor, or just sticking to the classic editor. Right here in the sidebar, you get completely granular control. You can easily disable the schema entirely for that specific post if you don't want FAQs showing up for that one article. Or you can override the global limit on how many FAQs are generated. It just ensures you're optimizing exactly how you want, strictly on a page-by-page basis.
Finally, Section 6, Verifying Schema Injection. Let's check that code.
You always want to verify that things are working, right? Well, the plugin makes verification totally foolproof. You can use this live preview panel, which is available in both the global settings and the per-post editor, to instantly compare your nice, human-readable FAQ list directly against the raw JSON-LD code. It is 100% Google schema compliant, pretty much guaranteeing you're going to pass the Google Rich Results test every single time without ever writing a line of code yourself. So, with everything fully automated, from the detection to the injection, all the heavy lifting is completely removed. I guess the only provocative question left for us to ask is, which of your existing posts could use a 2x visibility boost today? Seriously, go install the plugin, open up your best performing article, weave in a few natural questions, and watch your search real estate literally multiply.